then, if you now just grab hold of the casing, lift him up, and I believe the new casings go straight into the Caravelle. They do. The old ones didn't, you had to twist them. Just drop that down for a second. So literally, if he's in the right position in the Caravelle, he will be as far back as he can possibly go, which is just there. And then what we can do is we push that down, turn the metal part 90 degrees like that, pull it back up, and it just locks into the rail when we tighten it down. Next thing I've done is just taken this webbing strap and just put it around the tank like that. That's it. So then I'm just going to pop that pipe there for a second. Okay. Now I can get out and I can just make sure it's all locked in. And might have a little. Yep, it's okay. Right, so we're going to slide that one out, go back in, slide that one out, and that's us down, that's good. Okay. Okay, so that's the plug for plugging them in. Now, if I get you to lift here and here, please, so you've got control of the twist of it, I'm going to lift with one hand, and I'm going to start off by just lifting that through. Oh, you go back out. So, you lift up, that's it, just drop them down there. I will just take the front. Okay, what I'm going to get you to do now is just hold this bar for me so it doesn't, because it will try and fall out at the moment. I'm just going to take the pipe, the pump, tall enough to see on here. So just go in, push that blue patch up to remove it. It's just a reverse of that. So, just in, push up. And now, what we're going to do is just slide that all the way in, just to keep pushing. Put your hands here, here and here, and push in those two things. So grab the other side, reasonably hard, you'll hit a crunch. There you go, that's it, perfect. So now, that will come out,